Good evening, Kuya! Yes, thank you so much, Kuya. We really learned a lot from this house.
Yeah.
Kuya, thank you so much for the opportunity.
And also, Kuya, thank you so much.
Uh-huh.
Yes, we really learned a lot. As for me, I'm not fluent in Tagalog because we are not allowed to speak Tagalog in the house and also in school.
And since I'm born in States, we don't usually speak Tagalog, but we learn from here. We learn a lot.
Me too, Kuya.
That's right.
But I'm practicing with my yaya.